Hey, what's up guys? So there's a new firmware update that's now available for the V1 Gen2. It is the mid-October 2021 update, and it's going to update your detector to version 4.1027. Now there are 3 new changes and improvements here with this new update. However, there's also some issues that people have been reporting after updating their detector. And so in this video, I want to go over both the changes and improvements with this new update, as well as some of the issues that you may need to look out for. So when you go to update your detector using the V1 Connection app, it's going to tell you all the new changes and improvements right there in the app. Now, the first update, and probably the biggest one, is an improvement to Ka band sensitivity, specifically around 33.8, 34.7, and 35.5, which are the 3 different Ka frequencies that police use here in the United States. It's basically going to be improving the detector sensitivity to those 3 frequency ranges. And so far, there's been some testing that's been done, and it's looking like, yeah, we're actually seeing some noticeable improvements here to the detector after this update, which is awesome to see. The V1 Gen2, it's already a beast when it comes to Ka sensitivity, and this just makes it better still. Down in the video description, I'll link to some different tests that people have been posting online, so you can take a look for more information. Now, the second change has to do with reducing some Ka band falses, specifically when you're near certain K band emitters, such as some blind spot falses. Some cars emitting blind spot radar, instead of triggering K band on your V1, could actually inadvertently trigger Ka band falses, and this new update is going to help reduce those Ka band falses that you would see. Now, that said, a lot of people have actually been reporting increased Ka band falses after this new update, and doesn't seem to necessarily be tied to being near a strong K band emitter. And there's actually 20 pages of discussion about this on the forums. I'll link to the full discussion down in the video description so you can check it out and read more about it. But in short, a lot of people are actually reporting increased Ka band falses after applying this new update. Unfortunately, there's no way with the app to actually downgrade to a previous firmware in case you run into this issue. It's just going to update you to whatever the latest and greatest firmware is. So just something to be aware of if you get this latest update applied. And if you've already updated your V1, you can head on over to the forum to share your experience, good or bad. That way we can all get more data points. I know there's even a poll going as well already, where people are kind of all working together to figure out kind of what's going on with all this. And I'll link to this poll down in the video description too. And then finally, there's also a small update for different apps who actually communicate with the V1. The V1 now offers the ability for different apps to remotely adjust the detector's volume instead of you having to manually adjust the detector's volume with your fingers yourself. And so now apps are going to get a little bit more control over the V1's audio, more than just maybe remotely muting the V1 and stuff. And so those are the improvements here with this new update. Basically improved sensitivity on Ka band, in theory reduced Ka band falses, but that's specifically around K band transmitters. But people are also reporting increased Ka falses. Not everybody, but a lot of people are, just in general. And then the kind of improved Bluetooth remote control for audio levels and volume levels here. If you want to go ahead and update your detector, the update is now available using the V1 Connection app on your phone, available for both iOS and Android. It's a free app you can download, and I've got a tutorial video that you can check out, which will walk you through the whole process. And so I'll include links down in the video description to where you can download the apps as well. And so as always, there's going to be a ton more information for you down in the description. And so, yeah, just a quick heads up about this new update. I know I posted about it on Facebook and Twitter as soon as the update was available, and since then people have been kind of doing some testing and reporting their feedback, and that information is all available in the forums now too. And so, yeah, just a quick heads up for those of you guys who haven't seen it yet, the update is now available, and this is what people have been reporting. And so that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.